Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. Isn't it pretty? It's really simple to do, so let me show you what I did. We're going to start off with some colouring, and this is the paper we're going to use. So it's already stamped for you, nothing you have to do. And this is called the True Love paper, and I've cut this to 14.35 centimeters by 10. And all I'm going to do is spotlight the flowers, so I'm going to colour them in, and I'm going to use just one colour, and that is Floody Flamingo. So I'm going to start colouring, and I'll put you on fast forward and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so that's my piece all coloured in like that. Now, there are a few things I want to mention. I did just colour in the first couple of flowers on camera, and then I actually switched the camera off, but you don't need to see me colouring in the same thing 10 times over. So that was the first thing. And the second thing is when you do colour in, it will initially look as if the pattern from the back is coming through, but as the alcohol dries, as the pen dries, then as you can see, you don't see the pattern at all. Okay, but you will have the mess on the back, but that's okay, we're going to cover all of that up. So that's all I wanted to say. So our card base is basic black, and this is a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And I'm just going to stick this down onto that. So I'm going to use some of my snail. I'm still using up. So I had, as you can imagine, a ton of it. And even though it retired a year ago, I'm still going through my stock because I don't want to waste anything. So there we have that stuck down like that. So set that aside because we're going to do some stamping. Now I've got a piece here of Scrap Whisper White. Stamps that I'm going to use is this one called Blossoms in Bloom, which is a gorgeous set in itself. But I'm just going to use this little sentiment here that says Happy Birthday. And of course we're going to stamp it in the same ink. So this is Floody Flamingo. And I've got everything on my block ready to go. Just get it the right way around is always useful. And I'm just going to stamp it somewhere here at the bottom, like that. Lovely. Okay, and close up my ink pad and set that aside for a second. I'm going to bring my trimmer in. Okay, and this is the Stampin trimmer. And I'm just going to cut this out freehand. So let's get a straight edge, always useful, and see roughly where we want it. And I just eyeball it, to be honest. I don't do any fancy measuring. So that's cut out, so we're just going to stick this to a little piece of basic black. And I'm just going to cut this out freehand. And this is always easier if you have a larger pair of scissors. You can actually, you have more chance of getting it straight like that. So get rid of that, get rid of these little bitties. Let's put this to the side, and then I'm actually going to pop this up quickly on some dimensionals, and then we'll be done. So let's just put 3 of them along here, stick them down. So it's very simple and easy card to make. I love the paper because it's all black and white, so you can either keep it black and white or you can have a ball colouring in. And as you know, I love to colour in and paint, so I've been having a ball with this paper. So there are the 2 cards. Perfect, as I have a few birthdays this month to send cards out to. So I hope you liked the cards. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about this project, supply list, links to my online shop, etc., it's all in the description box below, alongside all my social media links, and that includes a link to my Facebook group where I host a monthly online card club, so do come and check us out. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.